So hey guys, today we got the painted stuff back from the paint shop. So this sticker is the infamous NV branded sticker which causes problems with the clear. So as you can see, it's not too visible on the bare eyes, but on the camera it picks up really well. So these are not the worst panels actually. The worst panels are these. So as you can see, this is looks like a golf ball, but if you look at from a distance, maybe say 2-3 maybe a feet, you won't be able to see that. So another thing is, though we applied plastic primer this time before the clear was applied, still it could not save it from going the RXZ way, as you can see. But to be honest, the color really pops. So I definitely like the overall finish. We have to put a sticker here because I didn't want to put a sticker under the clear on the tail panel, because it usually is thicker than these stickers and it will really protrude out. So it is better to put the sticker on top of it. So the color combination really looks awesome, which is a good thing. I was kind of little skeptical on how this color combination will look on. Let me put the other panel that I have from the here is the Shaolin old panel compared to the new one. So the orange and black combination definitely looks better than the pink and black. Compare it with the Shogun, I still feel that this looks better. The Shogun colors are definitely something that we all have grown to like, and compared to that, the Shaolin is definitely not that awesome, but it could have divided opinions, because I personally like this color combination more than this color combination, because this is kind of popping really well. So I'll also show you guys the tank. So this sticker has been embedded well under the clear. This could not. Actually what happened is they didn't cut the edges of the sticker, but that's okay. That is something that is going to kill my OCD, but generally speaking it looks fine. So other than that, if you look at the side, to be honest, there is just this small bit of imperfection. Other than that, as you can see, there is absolutely none. So this being at the bottom doesn't look that bad, but the story is not the same on this side, because this side has a bit more imperfections, but it doesn't really become visible. Secondly, there are some runs here. Let me see if the camera catches it. There you go. So these are runs from the clear coating. So anyways, like every other job that I have decided to do myself, painting has become one of those jobs, because I'm not really satisfied with the kind of outcomes that I see. So most likely my next bike onwards, I'm going to paint it in-house, hopefully. So I don't have to go through this, and I'm really not enjoying what I see. The tank looks brilliant, no doubt about that. There is depth in the color. Plus if we polish this like this without cutting this would actually look awesome. So I think at a personal level the paint job is reasonably decent, but if you ask me, could that be better? Of course yes, it could have been much better, but yep, that is what we are left with. So going ahead, I think some of the small jobs like painting the chassis etc. I can start immediately. Then maybe later on I'll graduate to things like this. Another thing about this tank was there was a nasty dent here, which has been completely taken out. They have done a good job in shaping it, so the shape looks nice. So yeah, overall I would say this has been a pretty decent job. Only thing that is really killing my OCD is these edges on the sticker, but if you carefully look at it, it looks like somebody tried saving the sticker which was already there on the tank. So it looks like they have applied a masking tape, but other than that it is pretty good. The tank looks very awesome, especially this sticker has added a lot of value. So yeah, I have not really done a video on other painted stuff, so I'll also show you guys how the rest of the painted stuff look. They are all now safely kept inside the Zen. So let me just open the Zen and turn some light on, and then probably we can see how the other stuff look like. So yeah, here is the rest of the painted stuff. So this is all kind of little dirty. There is a layer of dust on top of it, but that's okay. Once we fix it in the bike, this will all look all right. So these are the hub covers. So a slight scratch in there because I'm clumsy. So this goes under the fork, so maybe this would not be visible that much. So the chassis has been brilliantly done, as you can see, and there was zero rust on the chassis and it had absolutely no repair. So yeah, these kind of paint job, they have really knocked it out of the park. So you can see the quality of paint, but when it comes to stickers, I'm not sure. So probably I need to learn how to paint, and then based on that I will be the judge, and say whether it is the sticker or it's a painter. So yep, that's about it about this video. Hopefully this weekend we'll start the assembly. The crank needs to be taken out of the engine, that needs to be pressed out, so that is something that probably we'll try to attempt tomorrow. On the way back from work, I probably might take a detour and go to a lathe and get this pressed out. So yeah, here is the crank and everything. So that's about it. I have asked the owner of the bike to get me new set of piston rings, but even if that is not available, I don't see much issue here because the cylinder was not badly scored. So we would definitely love to put new piston rings, but in case if those are not available, then probably we'll have to use these. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this little update about the Shaolin. So yeah, like, share and subscribe if you like seeing things on the channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.